In this video, we will see two functions in SQL, that is percentile underscore DAC and percentile underscore CONT. So both the functions we use to calculate median in SQL. Not only median, any of the quartile we can find using the following functions, and both the functions are almost similar but has a slight difference. That difference also we will discuss in the video. Now the basic syntax of both the functions looks same. Only difference is that this function will be replaced by DASC or either CONT. Now it starts with percentile function name, then followed by a value argument. That value should be between 0 and 1, then followed by within group, which has an order by clause with the column name, and finally an over clause with the partition. Value should be between 0 and 1. For an example, if we have to find the median, then the value should be 0.5. If we have to find the 25th quartile or 25th percentile, then the value should be 0.25. Similarly, value will change between 0 and 1. Next is within group. Within group specifies the list of sorted value to find the percentile. That is, inside the within group, along with the order by clause, we have to give the column name for which we are going to calculate the median or percentiles. Next thing is over. The over clause will divide the input table into partition based on the column. That is, if we have to divide an entire dataset into multiple partitions, that time we will be using the over by clause. Now, using the function, we will try to find the median employee salary for each department. For that, we will be using a table called as employee salary. Let me query the table first. Let us see the schema. So we have a table with 3 columns, which are name, department and salary. Now what we have to find is, we have to find the median employee salary for each department. So from the data we have 2 departments here, one is finance and the other one is HR. So this will be the partition for the percentile function, and based on that we will find the median for each department. Now let us start writing the query for the same. In order to calculate the median, we will use both the functions, which are percentile underscore DASC and percentile underscore CONT, and let us see what is the difference the two functions are giving us in the result. Then I will explain why we have the difference and how do we manually calculate the median for both the functions. Now we will start writing the function, that is, let us use percentile DASC first. Now here the question is asking us to find the median, so the argument will be, value argument will be 0.5, followed by within group, inside the within group we have to give the order by clause and the corresponding column name, which we will be using to find the median. That is, here it's the salary column, and by default the order by will sort it based on ascending order. So it is not necessary that we give ascending, but to be obvious we can always provide the ascending syntax. Finally, we will use the over clause to provide the partition. Partition by, so here they are asking us to find the employee salary for each department. So we have to divide the, or we have to partition the dataset based on different departments. So here the partition should be department. Only then the dataset will be divided based on different departments, and the median will be calculated in such a way that For finance department, the median will be calculated. Then for the HR department, separate median will be calculated. See, if we are not giving any partition, for the entire data set, median will get calculated. That is, without considering departments, the median will get calculated. So here, since the question is to find the median salary for each department, we have to give partition by department, and we are giving a name for this one. Percentile. Now we'll use the percentile CONT function. In the percentile CONT function also, we are going to give the same argument without any difference. So for both the functions, the only difference is that the function name will be different. The result will also be different depending upon the number of records we have. Since this is the same, let me copy the entire argument thing. That is percentile underscore CONT followed by the value argument within group is same. That is order by salary in ascending order over partition by department, and the name is CONT underscore percentile. Now this is from the employee salary table. Now let us run this query and see the result. Now we have two new columns in the result, that is DASC underscore percentile and CONT underscore percentile. Now the percentile value is calculated for individual departments. So we don't want all these records to be visible in our final result. So we will consider the created query as a subquery, and we will write a subquery to fetch the median result for each department. So for that we need department from the subquery. Then the columns which we are going to take are DASC and percentile. Let me copy the column names. And this is from the subquery. And we are going to give an alias name for this as well. Now before executing the query, we are going to modify the query a little bit. So either we can use a distinct here, or we can use any of the aggregate function and max, min, etc. to get the corresponding percentile values and the department. So here I am going to use a aggregate function, that is max, because either way for a department, if we see the subquery result, we can see that this result are same for a department. So even if I am going to use max, min, it doesn't matter, because anyway we are going to get the same result, that is 4100. So I am going to use a max here, and the name is median underscore DISC. Next thing is max as median underscore CONT. Now since we have used an aggregate function, I am going to give a group by clause also outside the subquery. That is, this subquery is our input table. Group by department. Now let me run the query and let us see the result. Now we can see that the median is calculated for each department. That is, for finance department, the median underscore DISC, that is the median calculated with percentile underscore DISC is 4100, and the median calculated with percentile underscore CONT is 4650. And for HR, both the values are same, which is 4000. Now let me copy the entire result and let us see why we are getting the variation in the result. I have already opened an Excel file with the data we have. Now this is the final result that we have obtained. Now the basic difference between percentile CONT and percentile DISC is percentile underscore CONT will interpolate a value or will calculate a value even if the value is not available in the table to find the median. That is, if the number of records, see here for finance we have the number of records are 6 and for HR the number of records are 5. So consider we are calculating the median for HR. Here the value is sorted in ascending order, so only thing is we have to find the middle value. That is, number of records are 5, so the middle value will be the third value, that is 4000. This will be the median. Either way, for percentile underscore CONT and percentile underscore DISC, 4000 will be the median. See, if we see the finance department, the number of records are 6. Now if we use the percentile underscore CONT, here we have 6 records, so the number of records are even, so it is going to take the average of 4100 and 5200 and that will be the median calculated. So as you can see here, that is 4650. That is, percentile underscore CONT will interpolate or calculate a new value which is not available in the table. So 4650 actually is not available in the data table, but it calculates the value. But if we are using percentile underscore DISC for the same data, what would happen is, even though the number of records are 6, it is going to take 4100 as the median for the finance department. So percentile underscore DISC is going to fetch a value within the table and percentile underscore CONT is going to interpolate a value if the number of records are even. That is, here it calculated the average between the two values, that is 4100 and 5200. This is the difference between percentile underscore DISC and percentile underscore CONT. Now consider that if we have to find the median salary for the entire company, that is irrespective of the department, we have to calculate the median. So that time we'll have to modify the query a little bit. I will copy the subquery. Let me paste it here. Question is median salary for employee, that is what is the median salary given to the employee irrespective of the department. Only minor modification we have to make. We have to remove this partition by department from the clause. Simply keep the over clause blank. That time it will not create any partition in the data and it will calculate the median for the entire data set, that is the median salary given to the employee. So the median salary is 4100. And similarly, if we want to calculate the 25th median, the only change we have to do is, instead of the 0.5 we are going to give 0.25. Now let us run the query. Let us see the result. So the 25th percentile value is 3500 and the median value is 4100. So this is how we calculate median and different percentiles in SQL. Thank you.